हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू बुगड़ा एजुकेशन। फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस ऑफ साइंस फॉर क्लास 10th। दिस इज पार्ट 1। ये सीबीएसई 2020-21 सेशन के लिए हैं। काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस हैं। ये हम लोगों ने सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट्स की एडवाइस से हम लोगों ने बनाए हैं। आप इनको काफ़ी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। इसमें हम लोगों ने एकदम लेटेस्ट सिलेबस, जो कि 30% सिलेबस रिड्यूस करने के बाद जो सिलेबस बचता है उसमें से क्वेश्चन लिए हैं। सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, व्हेन जिंक मेटल इज ट्रीटेड विद डाइल्यूट सॉल्यूशन ऑफ ए स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड, ए गैस इज इवॉल्व्ड which is utilized in hydrogenation of oil. Name the gas. How can you test the gas evolved? क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 में देखिए, on adding a few drops of barium chloride to an aqueous solution of sodium sulfate while PPT is formed. इसी के 3 पार्ट हैं। Identify the white PPT. What other name can be given to this precipitation reaction? Write its chemical reaction. Question number 3. The radius of curvature of a concave mirror is 50 centimeter. Where should an object be placed from the mirror so as to form image at infinity? Question number 4. Express Snell's law mathematically. काफी important questions है। Question number 5. What is the role performed by mucus HCl secreted by gastric glands? Question number 6. How are lungs designed to maximize the area for exchange of gases? Question number 7. If you chew a piece of bread for a long time, it tastes sweet. Why? बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट्स का कमेंट्स आता है कि आप हमें इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस को बोल के भी बताइए, इसलिए हम लोग आप लोगों के लिए ये बता रहे हैं। इन सभी क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं, वो आप अपने आप कर सकते हैं। कहीं आपको डाउट है तो आप हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 8 और 9 असर्शन और रीजन बेस्ड क्वेश्चन है। Fat oil containing food substances become rancid and their smell and taste changes. Reason is we keep food in an airtight container. Question number 9. Assertion is food chains can be as long as any number of trophic levels. Reason there are number of organisms interdependent on each other. Question number 10. How is equal genetic contribution of male and female parents ensures in the progeny? Question number 11. Select the hydrocarbons which are not the members of same homologous series. इसमें है C3H8, C2H8, C4H10, C5H12, C8H16 and C7H16. Question number 12. Why are covalent compounds poor conductor of electricity? Question number 13. Draw electron dot structure of ethene CO2. Question number 14. What is the basic event in the process of reproduction? Mention the source of variation in the population of organisms which produce sexually and asexually. Question number 15. Balance the given equation. Cu plus HNO3 से हमें CuNO3 twice plus NO2 plus H2O। हम इन क्वेश्चंस की आपको PDF भी अवेलेबल करा देंगे, आप डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में देख सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 16. Why is brown coating formed on an iron rod when it is dipped in copper sulfate solution for some time? State its equation. Question number 17. In the formation of XY2, atom X donate 1 electron to each Y. Show electron dot structure for the formation of XY2. Question number 18. What is water of crystallization? Write the name of compound which has 10 water molecule as water of crystallization. List one use of this compound. Question number 19. Why dry HCl gas does not turn blue litmus red whereas hydrochloric acid does? Question number 20. List 2 properties of carbon which lead to its forming a huge number of carbon compound. Question number 21. Draw the pattern of field lines due to a solenoid carrying electric current. Mark North Pole and South Pole in the diagram. Question number 22. How many energy will be received by deer if plants have 1000 kilojoule of energy. State the law regarding it. Question number 23, assertion and reason based question है. Assertion is decomposers always occupy the topmost trophic levels. Reason, decomposers break down complex dead organism matter into simple form. Question number 24, assertion is a gamete may carry either of the traits but not both. Reason, this is Mendel's second law of independent assortment. Question number 25, state the events occurring during the process of photosynthesis. Question number 26, rate of respiration is higher in aquatic animals than terrestrial. Justify. Question number 27, give reason. Hydrogen is not evolved when metal reacts with nitric acid. Question number 28, in a field of 1200 pea plants, 900 found were tall and 300 short. What can be concluded from this observation? Explain using cross. Question number 29, use of thermocol for making school project is discouraged. What can be the reason for this? State one advantage of using disposable paper cup over disposable plastic cup. Mention any two methods of environment friendly garbage disposal. Question number 30, give reason. First part, why respiration is known as exothermic process. Second part, silver ornaments turn grey or black when kept for long time. Third, silver chloride turns grey when kept in open. Write a chemical equation. इसमें हर एक क्वेश्चन को एक्सप्लेन करने में वीडियो काफ़ी लेंदी हो जाएगी, इसलिए हम लोग इसको एक्सप्लेन नहीं कर रहे हैं. आप लोग एक्सप्लेन कर सकते हैं. कहीं भी डाउट होने पे आप हमें बताएं. क्वेश्चन नंबर 31, फर्स्ट पार्ट, राइट टू लिमिटेशंस ऑफ मेंडलीव्स पीरियोडिक टेबल. सेकंड, बिसाइड्स गैलियम विच अदर एलिमेंट्स हैव बीन डिस्कवर्ड ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ गैप्स लेफ्ट बाय मेंडलीव. क्वेश्चन नंबर 32, व्हाट इज द डिफरेंस इन मोलिक्यूलर मास ऑफ एनी टू एडजेसेंट homologous. Question number 33, what is the direction of magnetic field lines inside and outside a magnet? Question number 34, which of the following will turn phenolphthalein pink? NaOH, CH3COOH, HCl or H2O. Question number 35 and 36 जिसमें assertion and reason based है. Assertion है, non-biodegradable substances are those substances which cannot be broken down into simpler harmless substances in nature. Reason, non-biodegradable substances can cause air pollution and make the air poisonous when burnt. 36, assertion, in a series circuit the current is constant throughout the electric circuit. Reason, all electric devices need equal current to operate properly. Question number 37, on what factors does the resistance of a conductor depends? Calculate the resistance of an aluminum cable of length 10 km and diameter 2 mm if the resistivity of aluminum is 2.7 multiply 10 raised to the power minus 8 ohm meter. Question number 38, hydrogen occupies a unique position in modern periodic table. Give reason. Question number 39, give reasons. First part, ionic compounds have high melting and boiling point. Second, ionic compounds conduct electricity in meltone stage. Third, ionic compounds are solid at room temperature and are hard. Question number 40, a solution of a substance X is used for whitewashing. Name the substance X and write its formula. Write the reaction of substance X with water. Question number 41, name two amphoteric oxides. Question 42, how is the concentration of hydronium ions H3O positive affected when an acidic solution is diluted? Question number 43, what will happen if a solution of NaHCO3 is heated? Write equation. Question number 44, Fresh milk has pH of 6. How the pH will change as it turns into curd? Give reason. Question number 45. Type of medicines used for treating indigestion. First, antibiotic. Second, analgesic. Third, antacid. Fourth, antiseptic. Question number 46. Why calcium starts floating when calcium reacts with water? 47. What is thermite reaction? State its advantage. Question 48. Question 48. Give reasons. A. Platinum, gold, silver are used to make jewelry. B. Sodium, potassium and lithium are stored under oil. C. Aluminium is a highly reactive metal, yet is used to make utensils for cooking. D. Carbonate and sulfide ores are converted into oxides during the process of extraction. Question 49. How many covalent bonds are found in C2H6? Question 50. How many groups and periods are there in modern periodic table? Question 51. How are alveoli designed to maximize the exchange of gases? Question 52. Why is variation beneficial to the species but not necessarily for the individual? Question 53. Why regeneration is always not equated to reproduction? Explain with example. Question 54. State the steps before fertilization and after fertilization in a flower. 55. Define STD. Name 2 STD that spread through bacterial infection and viral infection each. Question 56. State 3 methods of contraceptions and explain them. Question 57. Name the plant selected by Mendel for his experiment. Why he selected that plant only? Write its scientific name. Question number 58. Write and explain roles of Cartesian sign convention. Question 59. Refractive index of water is 1.33. What is the meaning for this statement? Question 60. A doctor has prescribed a corrective lens of power plus 1.5D. Find the focal length of the lens. Is the prescribed lens diverging or converging? Question number 61. Why are coals of electric toaster and electric irons made of an alloy rather than a pure metal? Question 62. How can 3 resistors of resistance 2 ohm, 3 ohm, 6 ohm be connected to give a total resistance of 11 ohm, 4 ohm and 1 ohm? Question number 63. An electric iron of resistance 20 ohm takes a current of 5 ampere. Calculate the heat developed in 30 seconds. 64. An electric appliance rated 400 watt operates 8 hours per day. What is the cost of energy to operate it for 30 days at rupees 3 per kilowatt? Question 65. Why do magnetic field lines never intersect each other? Question 66. How ammeter and voltmeter connected in a circuit? तो फ्रेंड्स ये थे टोटल 66 क्वेश्चंस जो काफ़ी इम्पोर्टेंट है और जिसको सब्जेक्ट एक्सपर्ट्स ने ही हमें अवेलेबल कराया है, तो आप लोग इनकी काफ़ी अच्छे से प्रैक्टिस कीजिए। इसमें से काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस पहले ही सीबीएसई बोर्ड में आते रहे हैं और उम्मीद है कि इस बार भी आपको काफ़ी सारे क्वेश्चंस सीबीएसई बोर्ड में दिखेंगे। वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करें। चैनल पर नए हैं तो इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और बेल आइकन को प्रेस कर दें जिससे सबसे पहले नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिल सके। एंड थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो।